Okay, so our options for rolling are 1 through 6. What are we simulating? Playing a game. Rolling a die. We're going to let 1 be 1 space, 2 be 2 spaces, ... 6 be 6 spaces. It's pretty self-explanatory, right? Yeah.
On a quiz, if I wrote let 1 through 6 be the corresponding number.
That's fine. The corresponding number of spaces is fine. Yeah. And then if I were to use a random digit table, when I get to this part where I'm like, use digits one digit at a time, right? Ignoring 0, 7, 8, and 9. So I need to mention in there that I'm going to ignore those. But let's use a calculator on this, okay? So use randint. 1,6. No. I don't need to use all the numbers. That's the beauty of the calculator. I can use the exact numbers I want, right? Till the total is exactly 10, right? So if we're 2 spaces away and we roll a 5, we don't get to go. Yeah.
How many would you put as how many numbers are going to be? I put 20. Is that okay?
For...
Could it be 1, 6, 20 as your...
Yeah, you can. And because just to have a list of numbers to go through. Yeah. You can do 1. That's how I usually do. I just hit enter over and over again. So, let me see. In here. Okay, so it's randint. I already have that in there, 1,6. I'm going to hit enter. So I moved 2 spaces, right? Now I moved 3, so I'm at 5 spaces. Now I'm at 6 spaces. Now I'm at 10 exactly, right? So how many turns did it take me to finish the game off? 4 turns. So that's what my first trial is 4. Okay. Then we do it again. If it's over 10, then you have to do it again. It doesn't count because you can't move. That's how your friend really tries to get you in the end. You know, you're so close to winning. They're like, oh no, you have to land on that spot exactly. You can't win if you just get 5. You need to land on it exactly. You know that friend. No, you would just keep going because you're stuck on that spot, right? Think about actually playing the game, right? It's not really quite like Candyland, but in Candyland, the last space was purple, so you had to keep drawing the card until you finally got the purple, right? So you're stuck there. You can't move until you get that next color. So you're stuck there until you get that exact number that you need. I'm sure it'll come up in this trial. Let's watch. Let's see. 4, 5, 8, right? Too many, right? So now I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Too many. 5. Too many. 6. Okay. Now I'm at 9, right? 7 turns. 10. 9. That's 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I finally got that 1 to get me that 1 space. So my trial is 13. Okay, does that make sense? So you're just going to keep going, right? And then you do this. Does it say how many times? No. So 10 times? right? Because it could be long. And what did we get? Somebody tell me what you got for your average. 6 point. Okay, so based on my simulation, I would expect it to take an average of, did I hear 6.9 turns to move exactly 10 spaces. Okay. So we did it 10 times. We added them up, divided by 10 to find that average. But again, for time's sake, we're not going to do it 10 times. Like on the quiz tomorrow, you're only going to do 3 trials. Okay? On the quiz will be 3 trials for time's sake. Okay? And then number 35. Says a basketball player with a 65% shooting percentage has just made 6 shots in a row. The announcer says this player is hot tonight. She's in the zone. Assume the player takes about 20 shots per game. Is it unusual for her to make 6 or more shots in a row during a game? Okay, so we are shooting a basketball. And we're going to let 0 to 64 be the shot is made. And 65 to 99 means she misses the shot. Okay. Remember that we are doing this 1 shot at a time. It's not the probability that she makes 6 in a row. Okay? We can calculate that probability and find that theoretical probability that she makes 6 in a row, can't we? Wouldn't it just be 0.65 to the 6th power? Right? Probability of the first shot is 0.65, probability of the second shot 0.65, and we're multiplying. Okay, we can find that probability. We're trying to simulate in 20 shots, right, whether or not she has a streak of 6. Okay, so we're going to use the random digit table, 2 digits at a time, looking at 20 shots and recording if there is a streak of 6 or more shots. Okay. So it's a yes or no. Did she make 6 or more shots in a row? Okay. So let's get some random digits here. Okay, so there's some random digits for us. I started on the 96990 row. I don't know where we left off yesterday, so I just picked one. Okay. So we're going to look at 20 different shots. Okay. So this is a... hold on, let me find a red pen. I'm going to X if it's a miss. I'm going to circle if it's a make. Okay, that works, right? So X is a miss, circle is a make. So missed it, missed it, made it, made it, made it, 65, right? Missed it, missed it, made it, Made it, made it, made it, made it, missed it. Am I at 20 yet? No. I think I have to go all the way across for 20.
It's easy on the calculator.
Yeah, maybe, but you got to use one of these tomorrow, right? So I'm pretty sure that's 20, right? Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Anyways. Oh, it's a little bit less than 20. More than 20. But is there a streak of 6? No. So trial 1 is a no. Okay. I didn't get 6 in a row, right? Then I do it again. Made it, missed it. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this trial's a yes. Right? Then I'll go to the next one. Made it, missed it. Next trial's a no. Okay. So on the quiz, and you're only doing 3 trials, am I calculating an average? I have yeses and nos. What am I calculating? Right. A percentage or a probability, right? So based on this simulation, there's about a 33% chance because 1 out of the 3 trials, right? And that's not nearly as accurate as doing 10 or 20. But, right, for the quiz purposes, we're just trying to see if you know what you're doing. So there's about a 33% chance that she has a streak of 6 or more shots in a row. Okay. So if you were using the calculator, you're doing 0,99, how many? 20. Not 6, right? I want to know in that 20 if she gets 6 in a row. Okay. Yes, Sid.
One of my trials, I got yes twice. She got 14 or something in a row.
You would still be a yes.
Okay.
Right? So it's just whether or not in 20 shots she had a streak of 6 or more. Yeah, so that's just one yes. Okay? All right.